Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing Higgsfield and Runway, two powerful AI video creation tools that are getting a lot of attention in 2025. If you are trying to figure out which one is better for your content, ads, or creative projects, this video will break down the features, pros, cons, pricing, and who each platform is best for. Let's get started. What is Higgsfield? Higgsfield is an AI video generation platform designed mainly for realistic human characters, digital influencers, and marketing content. It focuses on creating lifelike faces, smooth motion, and customizable avatars that you can use for product videos, social media content, and branded campaigns. Excellent human focused AI modules, very natural motion and facial expressions, built in avatar creation, ideal for TikTok style, Instagram style, and ad style videos. What is Runway? Runway is one of the most powerful AI video tools today, known for its Gen 2 and newer models. It specializes in cinematic AI videos, creative edits, and advanced tools like motion tracking, in painting, and style transfer. Key strength: beautiful cinematic AI clips, lots of creative control, AI editing tools, object removal, green screen, camera motion, ideal for filmmakers, editors, and content creators wanting artistic video styles. Feature comparison. Number 1, video generation quality. Higgsfield best for realistic humans, influencers, and facial animation. Runway best for artistic, cinematic scenes, surreal visuals, or story-driven clips. Ease of use. Higgsfield simpler but more automated, great for quick marketing videos. Runway powerful but has a learning curve. Editing tools. Higgsfield basic editing plus avatar tools. Runway advanced pro level tools like motion tracking, rotoscoping, VFX. Customization. Higgsfield customize characters, expressions, and behaviors. Runway customize entire scenes, lighting, movement, and style. Output style. Higgsfield natural, realistic, personality driven videos. Runway creative, cinematic, and highly stylized. Pros and cons. Higgsfield Bros. Best for realistic human videos, great for marketing, product content, and digital influencers. Very fast and easy to use, smooth motion and expressive faces. Higgsfield Cons. Not ideal for cinematic or abstract scenes. Limited professional editing tools. Runway Pros. Hollywood style AI visuals, lots of creative freedom, strong editing and VFX tools, great for filmmaking and artistic content. Runway Cons. More expensive at higher usage, can be harder to learn for beginners. Faces can sometimes look less realistic than Higgsfield. Pricing overview. Higgsfield usually offers credits based plans with affordable entry pricing. Runway has free limited use, but paid tiers are more expensive for heavy creators. Higgsfield equal budget friendly for social creators. Runway equal professional pricing for filmmakers and editors. Final verdict: which one should you choose? Choose Higgsfield if you want realistic human characters, influencer style videos, fast marketing, and social content. Choose Runway if you want cinematic AI scenes, artistic storytelling, advanced editing tools. Both are powerful. The right choice depends on your content style. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions down below in the comments. And goodbye.